In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the project base point in Revit. If you've ever needed to coordinate models, place links accurately, or check your building's origin, the project base point is the reference you're looking for. It's a simple symbol, but it plays a big role in how your project understands location and measurements, so knowing where to find it is essential. Start by opening either a site plan or a floor plan view. The project base point shows by default only in these types of views, so if you're in a 3D view, elevation, or section, you won't see it. A plan view gives you the cleanest, most reliable way to locate it without extra clutter. Next, make sure it's actually visible in the view. Open the visibility graphics settings, press VG on your keyboard to get there quickly. In the dialog that opens, go to the Annotation Categories tab and look for Project Base Point. Ensure that box is checked. If it was off, turn it on and click OK. This tells Revit to display the symbol if it's not hidden or filtered out. While you're here, it's helpful to note the difference between the project base point and the survey point. They are separate references, and only the project base point is the small circle with an X we're aiming to find. If it still doesn't appear, use Reveal Hidden Elements. Click the light bulb icon at the bottom of the screen in the View control bar. This puts the view into a special mode where hidden items are highlighted, typically in pink or magenta. If the project base point was hidden in this view, it will now be visible in that highlight color. This is a great way to confirm it exists in the model and to understand whether it was just hidden from the view. When you're done looking, click the light bulb again to exit Reveal Hidden Elements and return to your normal view mode. Now look for the symbol itself. You're searching for a small circle with an X inside it. That is the project base point as described in Autodesk's documentation. If you see a similar symbol with a different graphic or marker, double check that it's not the survey point. The project base point is your internal project origin reference used for placing and coordinating elements relative to your model. A quick final tip, avoid moving the project base point unless you fully understand the implications for coordinates and links. Treat it as a reference that keeps your project consistent, and that's it, you've located the project base point.